Good morning and welcome back to another video. How good is this for a start? We're on the mission today, just spearfishing. We have not brought one fishing rod. There's not a rod in our boat at the moment. So Lockie's diving down on rocks behind me. We've got a beautiful pan-sized mangrove jack that we're going to cook up for lunch today. And it's not even 8 o'clock yet. So we've got a massive day ahead. Woo! Doing?
You know, little wetsuit sesh. Got the old surfing wetsuit from back in the Geelong days. But yeah, we'll be right. It's a little bit cold, but let's hope this viz is on. A bit stormy, hopefully the sun comes out, but I reckon we're in for a cracking day. But yeah, let's go, baby.
Suited up. There was a few stingers around that we saw on the way out, so
it is stinger season. Since we've had all that rain up here in far north, they would have been pushed out well and truly out of the river systems and out along the reefs. So, you know, better safe than sorry. I'd hate for that. That'd probably ruin your day. But yeah, proper protected now. Alrighty, Tar, can I have the gun? Thank you. Time to hop in on the first rock. See how we go, baby.
Good luck. Just dropped Lockie in on a really good looking rock. It's got like a nice undercut ledge around the back of it, so let's see if he can get us something for dinner. Locke reckons he's just spotted some mangrove. Oh my gosh! Before I could even say anything.
Perfect size.
That is lunch.
Mangrove jack for lunch. He's about 40 centimeters on the dot. Oh, I couldn't be happier with that. Mangrove jacks are up there with some of the best eating fish. Their flesh are just so firm. Oh, yeah, baby. There's actually a bigger one down there, but he was too good for me. I'd have a go at him. Yeah, and once again, he is not massive. Where's that measurer? There you go. Very close to 40. So, 40 centimeters when it's just me and them. A side each, perfect. So very happy with that.
as I turn the camera on, Locke's just come up with a beautiful purple cod. Hang on, I'm gonna go and get him. Oh, how bloody good.
How nice is that? He didn't really give me a good broadside shot, but I got him sort of broadside. I don't know really how it happened, but I'll have to watch back on the footage and you'll see it. But he was staring straight at me, a little bit of cat and mouse, and got the perfect shot on him, holding shot. He went under that little bit of bomby and we got him out though. Purple cod, cattle dog cod, 5 meters of water. What more could you ask for? And he's so pretty. Yes, baby.
Yes, baby. So we've got 2 good fish in the esky, and it's still not even lunchtime yet. So what do we think?
Good. No.
We might drop on a couple more rocks.
I'd really love to get a cray. Really, really love to get a cray.
Yeah. So let's jump on a couple more, and then if we don't get anything, we're gonna cook. Which one are we gonna cook? We're gonna cook the jack up for lunch.
Yeah.
You're gonna give me a knuckles then.
Oh. Oh. Alright. I think I have checked about 1,000 rocks, shit you not, for the elusive crayfish, but nothing as of yet, but that's alright. I think we're gonna go and find a nice little sandy clear spot, anchor up, get the cooker out, and I think that mangrove jack is on the menu, so I think a bit of Caesar salad, but I think we should have a good little feed. And yeah, enjoy this beautiful little day. We've got a bit of shade going at the moment because it is warm, but magic. Alright, we'll pull up at a little lunch spot and we'll check in with you in a bit. Well, I suppose this is just as good as any on the Great Barrier Reef for a lunch spot, so yeet. Nice little sandy spot. The reef covering around the outside. Cook up some fresh jack, have a swim, and just chill out for a bit, eh?
Righto, let's get into filleting this bad boy. Oh, they're so spiky, those top things. They're so much harder than trout with all their scales. Usually I fillet the trout, sometimes.
Sometimes.
So we're running it all the way down his spine.
Ooh.
Alright, while Lockie's cleaning the fish, we're going to get our shake and bake ready. So what are we going to go, Lock? Lemon and herb, or we've got a honey, mustard and garlic?
Lemon and herb.
So we just got this peri-peri rub. We haven't tried it before, so let's see how it is. Just a little bit in. All of it. Perfect. And we'll throw the fish in here, then we'll give it a bit of a shake up.
Fish is ready.
Beautiful. Give it a shake. Ready to go.
Here's the butter.
Right. Thank you. Our hot plate is hot, so we're going to chuck some butter in here.
More than that. Give it a generous amount.
How much? More?
Jeez, a little health kick over here. Oh,
Oh yeah, that looks delicious.
I reckon add more butter.
You're going to have high cholesterol, kid.
No, I'm gonna die something.
Alright, let's chuck the jack on.
Sizzle, sizzle, baby. Look at that.
Looks delicious.
See, no prize fish, but the perfect amount for 2 people. Like, any more than that, you'd be you'd probably waste some. Any less, you might be a bit hungry. So I reckon that's a perfect amount for me and Em. We got a little Caesar salad. I'll get this sort of prepped, even though it is already prepped. I'll just join them all together, but yeah, we'll get stuck into it. All right. Salad leaves in. Iceberg lettuce leaves in. Go there. Spread. Gotta make sure they're all crushed up a bit, so they actually last. Bring them in there. Little bacon bits. And go in there too. Cheese. Get that in there. I won't put the sauce in, I'll wait till the fish is in and then we'll do that, but I'll whack the lid on this. Perfect little mix. Wait for that jack to cook up. Add that in, add the sauce. Voila.
Fish ready to go. I'm gonna chuck this fish straight through our salad.
There.
Chuck the sauce straight on. Yum. And we'll give that a minute to cool down, and then we'll enjoy our mangrove jack Caesar salad.
Yeah, baby.
Taste test time.
Get into it. Well, that fish and lettuce, you reckon? You gonna hold it for me?
Yum.
I just got fish. That fish is good.
That's a great combo. Yeah.
Caesar salad, mangrove jack. Spot on. Alright guys, what an epic little afternoon. Thanks so much for the support lately too. We really appreciate all the liking, the subscribing, the following, everything. We're just pretty over the moon with all the followers and love we've been getting lately. It's pretty special, so we're gonna keep doing it. Seems to be that you like it, so yeah, we'll keep tracking. But thanks so much guys.
You have not even taken a breath. I think I've had 2 spoonfuls.
It is genuinely so good.
It's so good.
You should actually get out and give it a try. Caesar salad mix, just the premix bag from Woolies or Coles or whatever. And fresh fish, crayfish. It would all taste beautiful, I reckon.
So simple.
Simple, easy, yum as.
We're gonna do some sick bombies over the next 20 seconds. So enjoy.
How good this place.
See ya.